Are you guys looking for a classic eggless sponge cake? Are you guys looking for a soft and moist cake? Or are you guys looking for a perfect base recipe that you would like to use in all your frosted cakes? Then look no further. This Eggless Hot Milk Cake is gonna blow your mind with the soft and spongy texture that it has, the beautiful soft crumbs, and the perfect sweetness that would go along with all your frosted cakes. Presenting the Eggless Hot Milk Cake that would simply replace your vanilla based recipe forever for sure. The ingredients for this hot milk cake eggless version would of course include some flour, baking soda, baking powder, and some salt as part of your dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we would need some butter and milk, curd, which is the replacement for sugar, and of course some sugar, and to flavor it all up we would need some vanilla essence. So pretty basic ingredients for a cake. Now let us see how to actually make it. As the name suggests, we would of course need some hot milk. So for that, in a saucepan, add in your milk. Along with that, also add in the butter and switch on your gas, of course, and then bring it up to a light boil. It should not be rolling boil. All you are looking for is that the butter is all melted down and the milk is just beginning to boil but not boiling. You get it right. When you get that first bubble, you can switch off your gas and take the saucepan out of the flame. If you are watching one of our videos for the very first time, I would love to have you guys on board. Please do consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon as I post new videos on baking and desserts every single week. So now let's put this hot milk and butter mixture to a side and start sifting our dry ingredients, which includes the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Oops! I'm sorry about the continuity in this video, guys. I mean, my daughter also wanted to join in and I couldn't say no. It's good that the kids are learning new and different things during this lockdown, isn't it? Let me know how you are keeping your little ones engaged. By the way, guys, don't forget to check out the ebook that I have created for free. Especially if you are beginning with baking, then these tips are surely gonna help you in a long way. I will leave the link for the same in the description box below. Please do check it out if you like. So once sifted, give it a quick mix and put it to a side. Onto a separate bowl, add in your curd, sugar and vanilla essence. Whisk it until it is homogeneous, say around a minute or so. Now all you have to do is combine everything. So we will start with our dry ingredients. Don't add everything at one go. So we will be doing an alternate between dry and wet. So add in some amount of dry flour. Give it a quick mix. Make sure that you're not over mixing the cake batter at any stage. So give it a quick mix and then add in your milk and butter mixture. Mix that too. So repeat this until you're left with nothing. So you start with the dry ingredients and also end with it, which means you will have to add the dry ingredients 3 times and the wet ingredient, that is the milk and butter mixture, twice. By the way, did you guys know there is a right way of adding the ingredients and mixing it? I have explained this in detail both in our eggless mango cake recipe and also banana bread recipe. So I'll leave a link for the same up here or in the description box below. You guys can check that out too if you like. So once the cake batter is ready, all you have to do is transfer it to a well-greased pan. I'm using an 8-inch square pan here. You could use a round, a square, a loaf pan too, whichever way you like. So simply transfer it to the cake pan and level it off with an offset spatula. Then off it goes to baking. Bake it in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 45 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to sit in the pan itself for around 3 to 4 minutes. Then run a knife around the edges, turn the pan upside down, remove the parchment paper and allow the cake to cool completely before slicing it and enjoying it the way you like. So pour yourself a glass of milk or best make some chai or coffee, and I like to serve my cake alongside a side of berries, some fresh cream on top. Nothing goes like a well made vanilla sponge cake and a freshly whipped cream. Well, though I'm not using a freshly whipped cream, but this too tasted divine. The soft and spongy cake just spring backs. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And the cream on top with some strawberries. Oh my god, I just love to have such plain cakes. Do you? So from our yesterday's Instagram post, I know that you guys too like some plain unfrosted cakes. And this is something that would blow your mind. And this cake remains sturdy, so you can also use it to layer your cakes, that is to make a frosted birthday or anniversary cake of choice. And that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this soft and spongy eggless cake, and if you did then definitely hit that like button, comment below and let me know what would you like to see next on the channel. Please do subscribe, share, I mean all the things that you do usually. You know the drill by now, right? And I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.